To use the Dolce Gusto capsule coffee machine in the B&B Homes apartments, please check that there is enough water in the tank and refill it if necessary. Place a cup under the machine to rinse the system. Press the button on the top panel. The coffee machine will begin heating up and the indicator light will turn green. Turn the lever to the right and the system will complete the rinse cycle. Next, open the capsule compartment and insert a coffee capsule. Close the capsule holder firmly until fully shut. Choose the desired cup size for your coffee and push the top lever to the right. The coffee machine will start brewing coffee. Push the lever to the left to stop the brewing process. After use, please dispose of the used capsules and empty any remaining water from the drip tray. Our team wishes you a wonderful holiday.